All right, I made a custom GPT that takes your jumbled thoughts and turns it into a clearer, more succinct prompt that you can use in your own custom GPTs. And I call this the GPT prompt fixer. And the description is it refines custom GPT instructions for better AI comprehension and start by writing your desired outcome. So I've made a lot of custom GPTs. Here are most of them on the left side. And I kept doing the same thing for each of these new GPTs. And I thought, why not make a custom GPT for that task? I would just write all of my jumbled thoughts, put them down on paper, basically tell ChatGPT what I want to create, and then it would clean it up for me. Very simple. But I also found that the AI works best with step-by-step instructions. It follows kind of a logical path to get your desired output. And that's how I create custom GPTs, with this step-by-step guide. So in this video, we're going to walk through an example of how I would use this, and then we'll go in the back end and we'll see the prompt I used for this custom GPT. And then you can start using this to make your own. Okay, let's say I wanted to make a social media content planner. I wanted to make this into a custom GPT and I didn't quite know what prompt I needed. So I would write something like this. All right, zoom in here. Again, the point of this is this prompt shouldn't make that much sense. We're getting AI to make it better for us. Okay, so general idea, I want to make a custom GPT social media content planner. It asks what type of business you run and the niche, then gets your business name, then asks which social media platforms you post on. Then we'll write out a content calendar for the next 2 weeks of what you could post on each of the networks that you're active in. All right, pretty random, but I have a general idea of what I want. Let's see what it comes up with. So it's taking our prompt and first it refines it for us. So it writes, very simple, you are a custom GPT designed to assist users in creating a social media content plan. Step 1, ask the user for the type of business and its niche. Step 2, request the user's business name. Step 3, inquire about which social media platforms the user is active on. And then step 4, generate a 2-week content calendar detailing what to post on each specified social media platform. But it's not done. I add one more thing in. Because I'm human and I'm not perfect, I may have missed some amazing ideas for this custom GPT. So what GPT Prompt Fixer does is it offers some more feature suggestions. And look at this. It says, how about content customization? Maybe tailor content suggestions based on the business target audience demographics. Trend analysis, performance analytics. That's interesting. Maybe it should give us engagement strategies, post timing optimization, visual content assistance. All right, I like that. Offer suggestions for types of images or graphics to complement the post. And we know that custom GPTs have access to DALL-E 3. And the last one is multi-language support. But let's say I wanted to add that number 6. I'd go, please add feature number 6. And now it's going to rewrite the initial prompt, adding that into the step. And there we go. Look, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and then step 5. And all you have to do is we're going to copy this. Let's just click this copy button. We're going to go into Explore. We're going to create a new GPT. And remember, we're calling this Content Planner. And then paste in the instructions. Boom, we have a custom GPT. Let's remove web browsing here. And now we can test out this custom GPT. Just go hello, and look at this. It's asking us the type of business, what is the name, and on which social media platforms are you currently active. We've created a custom GPT in under a minute. Let's just do this. Let's say I am a travel business. My name is Expedia. Don't sue me, please. And then I am active on Instagram and LinkedIn. And then the next step, it's going to generate a 2-week content plan. So look at this. Day 1, Instagram, stunning image of a popular travel destination, gives us the caption, and then also wants us to post on LinkedIn on day 1, which is a blog post. Day 2, Instagram is a travel story. LinkedIn is post a tip about business travel. So it looks like it wants us to post on each platform for each day. All right, this is awesome. We have a custom GPT. I just save this, either make it public for the marketplace, or we could publish only to me or only people with this link. All right, that's a basic idea of how the GPT prompt fixer works. Let me show you what's going on in the back end. So I'm going to click this and then edit GPT. We're going to go to the configure tab and I'm going to make the instructions larger so we can walk through it. So I'm basically telling it that people use you to create their own custom GPTs. And just in case GPT-4 doesn't know what a GPT is, I'm pretty sure it probably does. I don't know if it's self-aware. but I also say that it's known as custom AIs, just to change the language up. We're going to start with a task that you're going to refine user prompts to enhance AI comprehension, right? It involves creating a structured step-by-step approach from the user's initial prompt. The final output should be a format that's easier for AI to understand and process. We're taking a large, incoherent paragraph and we're shortening it, we're making it clearer, which makes it more effective. And then I walk through my own step-by-step process like it did when we tried to make a custom GPT, right? Step 1 is called prompt refinement. It reworks the user's input into a format that is clear and succinct. It removes redundant or irrelevant information. It organizes the thoughts in a logical order. So you could even write your prompt, have it like a free-flowing notepad. Okay, and then finally, we're going to clarify the purpose or objective of the prompt. Structured formatting. This is when we break down the prompt into a numbered step-by-step guide. And like I said, the AI really works well with steps. Each step should outline a specific action, and this makes the prompt straightforward for AI to follow. And then as shown in the example, it's going to offer new feature suggestions. So I like the idea of potential additional features for this custom GPT. I've done this multiple times and it's given me some great ideas. Some of them I don't end up adding into the final custom GPT, but I have added some features that I got from ChatGPT originally. So I thought this would be a perfect feature. I'm just saying that these features need to enhance its effectiveness and its usability. And then the final task on that step is to ask the user to select any of the additional features they wish to include in their prompt. I give it an optional step 4, and that is the prompt edit if a user selects a feature. And I've also found that some custom GPTs work very well if you provide it an example of the output that you want. So in this particular use case, I needed to provide it an example. And I gave it the example of a person trying to make a travel GPT. It wants to find a flight for the trip, schedule it out, make an itinerary, and then find a flight home. So that's the example input. And then the example AI output is refined prompt heading in bold, a quick description of what the GPT does, the step-by-step process. Step 1, ask for a departure location, destination location, departure date, and return date. Step 2, develop a detailed itinerary for the trip, considering the length of stay. Step 3, search the web to find departure and return flights. And then a bunch of feature suggestions like budget management, accommodation finder, local transportation options, etc. And then finally, asking the user any additional features that they wish to include in the prompt. So if someone was making a custom GPT for travel, all they have to do is copy this entire prompt instruction. I'm going to close this. They'd have to think for themselves that, hey, this custom GPT is going to be searching for flights, so it's going to need to browse the web. So this is GPT Prompt Fixer. Let's save this one more time and make it public. Let's copy this link. I'm going to paste this link in the description below so that you can use it. It's completely free within ChatGPT. Use this to make your custom GPTs that much better. I'm going to be fiddling around with this prompt. I think there's a few things I want to add. I like adding a task and maybe adding an example. It'd be cool if this could come up with an example for your custom GPT. But for now, I like how it works. I'm using it all the time and you can use it too. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe for new GPTs. I got a ton of ideas in the pipeline. I'll be releasing all of them soon. All of them are free. Let's all get more productive together. Peace.